This video introduces Setup Hub, which offers guided onboarding for IT operations management and AIOps. On the admin homepage, you can access the Setup Hub in this box called Manage Your Products. If you don't see this box, go to the Application Manager and install the Setup Hub application first. Click on that box to open the ITOM Product Hub. Here you'll see helpful resources, including some educational content, to learn about item best practices and documentation. Choose a product and expand what's included to see which applications have not yet been installed. You can install all of them in one click. This makes it faster to install updates as well. All the changes are automatically captured into an update set. Typically, customers do this on a sub-production instance first, and then create the update set to move it to a production instance. You'll be able to upload them very easily using this box. Now let's get started with configuring AIOps. I've already installed the AIOps experience, and I'm ready to configure it. Here I can see a step-by-step guide showing me how to get this set up. It starts with platform foundations. A platform administrator or system admin can come in and do these first steps, including assigning the event management admin, setting up the integration accounts, configuring the AI agents, and then reading some educational content to learn more about event management. Next, we can do basic alert response. Later, your event management admin will come in and install the integrations. This will enable you to connect your monitoring systems to ServiceNow and send over alerts. Later, you can expand to logs and metrics. Now that we have some alerts coming into the system, you can review those alerts on the express list. Our out-of-the-box integrations already format the alerts correctly. But if you have a custom integration, check out these best practices for what kinds of fields to look for. If you find that any fields need to be updated in your alerts, you can do that with an enrich automation. This makes it easy to add alert tags to your alerts, or change configuration items or alert values. Now that you have properly formatted alerts, you can go ahead and create incidents. We have basic alert response. Now we're ready to reduce the noise. You can ignore low-value alerts. If you find multiple alerts related to the same problem, you can group them together. We also have AI suggestions to help you do that quickly. You also need to train your operations team. There's some great videos here that help you understand and explain the express list and service dashboard to your operators. You also want to report on outcomes to your management team. There's a great dashboard here that shows you how much time was saved and how much noise was reduced. Once you're seeing some good outcomes in your sub-production instance, you want to go ahead and promote that to your production instance. You can do that by packaging and creating an update set. There's a button here called Package and Download. You just click it, and then you can upload the XML file on the Product Hub page that we shared earlier. Now we have event management up and running. Next, try it out in your own instance.